Hello gamers, so today we are going to talk about why Helldivers 2 multiplayer not working, or you can say that what causes Helldivers 2 game matchmaking error and how you can fix it or avoid this issue. First I'll say that the developers must work on this problem as quickly as possible because this causes a lot of frustration among gamers and everyone is looking for a fix. To fix this, what you can do is keep trying to quick play again and again. If it doesn't work for the first time, cancel it and try again. Keep doing this at least 3 to 4 times and it will definitely connect. If it does not work for you, what you can do is that your crossplay and restart your game. And if that also not helping you at all, then you can try some general troubleshooting that Ryan is going to tell you. Listen carefully to him and yeah, that's it. Over to you, Ryan.
Thanks, Abhi. The developers Arrowhead Game Studios have acknowledged the issues, attributing them to server overload and unforeseen bugs within the game's networking code. The surge in player numbers, driven by high anticipation and the game's release on multiple platforms, has put unexpected strain on the game's infrastructure. In response, Arrowhead has been prompt to communicate with their community, assuring players that resolving these multiplayer issues is their top priority. They've rolled out several patches aimed at improving server stability and matchmaking efficiency. Additionally, the studio has expanded its server capacity and is continuously monitoring the game's performance to address new issues as they arise. For players struggling with these multiplayer challenges, the community and the developers suggest a few temporary fixes. These include ensuring a stable internet connection, manually updating the game to its latest version, and trying to connect to multiplayer sessions during off-peak hours. While not foolproof, these steps can potentially alleviate some of the connectivity issues. As Arrowhead continues to work on permanent fixes, players are hopeful for a swift resolution, eager to dive back into the cooperative chaos that Helldivers 2 promises. The game's potential for delivering thrilling, teamwork-driven gameplay is immense, and solving these multiplayer issues will undoubtedly unlock its full potential, making it the cooperative experience players have been waiting for.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.